Well done, man. Is this yours?
You can take that one, I'll get you one of them.
Yes,
I
Carl.
wasn't wearing that. I don't think I was wearing it. Was that? No.
Zobaczysz.
Correct.
Tak, kamerasy też?
Look.
Ah, that's still gonna hurt.
They're very strong, though. I was telling my buddy about you. Unbelievable talent. Shemi Shmolotsa.
Thanks.
One day do great things.
Maybe we should send him to school. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, I kind
Oh,
of want
what
to be
you
an
was-
engineer, like with airplanes.
Aeronautical engineering is
Yeah.
verified.
I think. You work for like multiple companies, right?
Yeah.
Are they big? Are they like big companies or like relative? Like how much do they pay you usually?
Well, it's by the job, actually.
It's
I have worked in companies, you know. Now I just work freelance, sort of. Just in case. In case your plane goes up in flames on the tarmac. Ah, do you want to drink something? We'll tell you start Marshall.
Like what?
Fruit juice.
Oh no. If you got water, that's fine.
I happen to have water. Water? My son can't get cold up.
Schwach.
Yeah.
Hello.
I thought someone else came in here for a second.
No. Very fine. Are you what? Let's have a start, what? That man.
Wow.
Yeah, I've got to be careful these days. I went to the synagogue this week. All week. Sunday, Monday. It's a great achievement. It's a completely different feeling. The day is a completely different day. It's very hard for me. Wake up. Who needs this? Stay in bed, man.
Now you gotta be active.
And when you do it, you feel great. It's like you feel like you've done something for your people, you know? Very hard to do. Yeah. Well, it all depends how you went to bed the night before. Achos 9. That's shoes. Got the less.
What time did you go to bed?
7:30.
What does that mean? 7:30. What's 7:30? Bed 7. What are you doing the whole time? Like jerking off or something? Nah, I'm joking. I'm just joking. But seriously, what are you doing? Yeah.
Looking to get plane tickets for you guys.
There you go.
So cool.
Oh my.
Just put some blue food colouring in. But it's perfectly normal.
You can barely taste the difference.
Tiny concentrations. It's absolutely minuscule. So when you were doing something what's it called?
I don't know, these airline tickets are killing.
The who?
The so-called robbery agency. It's airline tickets.
Oh yeah, that's it. Airline's gone crazy. Because everyone's refusing to fly to Israel, they up the price.
They try to like charge you the amount of a year yeshiva tuition.
Nuts. They're thieves, man.
Isn't that Lashon Hara to say that?
No.
What?
No, not really. It's an airline. Some of them kill you if you talk bad about them. I'm talking about Boeing. Boeing, you know that one? They hire hitmans.
What do you think about airline?
hire hitmen. The aeroplane's full of hitmen.
LL is supposed to be a good airline, but it's just so expensive.
Good.
Yeah.
Come on.
Everyone gives you that same feeling.
Ah.
Raising, cost of living is going up, so they try to kill each other. Huh?
Well, it's because they stopped flying to Israel.
Yeah.
The whole world anti-Semites. And then you've got that, what's his name, that blinking guy.
You like him?
He's Jewish, you know.
I don't believe that.
Half of Biden's cabinet is Jewish.
I don't believe any of them are Jewish.
I don't mean Jewish like you and me, but Jewish in name.
I don't even know if these guys were ever. It seems like they have Nazis pretending to be Jews. I've never seen either on the biggest. I'm speaking bad Russian, which I probably am.
That's Lashon Hara.
But like I see a lot of these Jews, and they seem more anti-Semites than the anti-Semites.
Absolutely, and they are. You're right.
Yeah, but like Jewish Voice for Peace. There's nothing Jewish about them. They're saying Jews are doing genocide. It's like Jews for JC. There's nothing Jewish about these people. They're just trying to trick you. Now they have these things like Jews for Kamala Harris, you know?
They have that already.
I think so. They come up with this retarded garbage.
Can.
It's like Jews for Hitler. I don't know. They're making it all up, Mike Shimon, you know?
Absolutely. Well, they're trying to get the lefty Jews, because they're quite powerful in America, right?
Uh-huh.
But they're not like the lefty here.
I don't know.
They're all the same shit.
Some of these people in America, I don't know if they're Jewish at all. Like, they say they're like leftist Jews.
Well, how do you define a Jew? What is a Jew? Just because you're born Jewish? That's bullshit. You don't keep Shabbos, you're nothing.
Huh?
Somebody doesn't keep Shabbos, they're not Jewish. They can call themselves Jewish, they're culturally Jewish, and they feel Jewish and have a strong identity. Fuck off. Keep Shabbos? Get out of here. But that's the only thing that makes us separate apart.
Right.
So our only cultural identity is Shabbos.
Well,
That's number one. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's so important to make an attempt to keep Shabbos 100%. Which means you have to learn Halakot Shabbat every week.
I have to what?
You have to learn Hilchot Shabbos all the time. Otherwise, you'll definitely come to break it. And even if you're keeping Shabbat 99%, but you break it once, it's not the same. It's like, wow, did I break Shabbos? Well, I should know better. You know what I'm saying? Besides that, learning Halakot Shabbos is not just about...
Shmuel Shmata?
Yeah.
Learning Hilchot Shabbat.
Yeah, I do some.
Yeah, but a lot of times Shmuel will say, you can't do this. Like, oh, I'm just touching the tree. Like he's like scratching the tree on Shabbat. And I tell him that it's Katsir, or when he looks at me and like, oh, you're just crazy, you're just exaggerating, you know?
Oh, what, you like a fanatic?
Yeah, they get these things, which isn't true.
You get these insults, huh?
Not insults, but they don't. I don't know, if you, let's say you climb a tree and a branch breaks, or
Ah, right, that's it. You're allowed to climb a tree on Shabbat.
you're allowed?
Are you?
I don't know.
I heard the rabbis would make them like stay in the tree as punishment for doing that. I don't think you're allowed, no.
Right, but why not?
Maybe a branch will break or something.
So can you pick off the bark of a tree on Shabbat?
That's something entirely different.
Is it? What's that? Skinny?
Skinning.
Firstly, you're allowed to
Kinda
touch
brutal.
a tree at all. That's the key question.
Are you?
If not, why not? That's the question.
I mean, it's just some old tree, you know, what's wrong with it?
I know, they used to say when you're a child, then it's not a problem. But I think the what's the law? What's the principle of the law? Is the tree itself muktzah?
Oh, no, you can't really move it, I don't think it, no.
It's going to get some Shabbat.
What?
This tablecloth. So, how do you go?
You have to go?
No, this tablecloth has to go.
I'm worried maybe I haven't been folding this like within the camera frame, right?
Hey! Oh, I see what you mean. Well, I kind of focused it to you. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna pull out of there just the main clips.
Oh, no, you won't get it with the main clips. I mean, you can see
Kosher?
part of it.
What's this kosher, man? Do you want some of it?
What's that?
Chocolate.
Oh, no, you're dead. You ate meat.
All right.
It's not. It's plain Parva.
Oh.
That cup is making me nervous.
You sure it's power of
Pull it over here.
It's good there, man.
Hey, the bracha machalom. What is that? How God makes bracha baruch ata Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam. What's bracha machalom?
Told you I'm like depressed now.
Look, if you don't make the bracha with shame and malchus, it's like, what did you say? No, it's not my business, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, you gotta say, man. When you say Hashem, you need to be concentrating on Haya Hovevir, past, present, and future.
I am.
Right? And Elokeinu is Takif. That means he's present and present active right now. Not just past, present, and future theoretical, but presently active right now in the present. Not a theoretical God that's out there somewhere. Commander.
I just feel like lifeless, tired, schwach. Huh?
Well, I don't know. It depends what.
Oh, but don't you have like a month to find us some tickets? So
Yeah?
like, what are you doing until like 7 in the
I
morning?
don't know. Listen, me personally, I like to.
You like to?
It's a weakness of mine, isn't it? So I can't allow myself the luxury unless it's close to Shabbat. I don't know, man. Yeah, each one does their own thing. I don't know.
A luxury
I was
to
around there at Yuda's place, and
How was it?
I was putting up some shelves, like the shelves here.
Right.
It was very good, and he, you know, he went out to work, so his table was loaded, but I resisted.
Mama.
I don't know what I'm like. I don't know, maybe I'm a nicer one, you know.
Yeah.
You agree?
I don't know actually. But then I feel like it's also it's very dangerous. See someone walking by my shul like he smokes, right? I don't know if he smokes, but he's always coming to shul with an oxygen tank.
Oh.
You know?
What's that mean? Not like in a wheel, one of those guys in a wheelchair?
Yeah. It's not confined to a wheelchair. You can get off and walk. But like, you know, when you smoke, you get all these issues.
You have a guy across my
Tired
block
now?
who like, he sounds
I
like, I
guess
don't know, a
I
hammer.
haven't smoked that much, but sometimes I have these coughs and I'm thinking, what? I'm making these sounds?
Or just to feel like,
And that's only like 4 or 5
Why, do you
pints a
smoke?
day.
what?
Very few. Don't start. It's harder to quit than heroin.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far.
It is actually.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, heroin kills you faster, probably.
People look at heroin as more of a problem. They don't look at cigarettes. Like I quit heroin.
And you
then
quit heroin.
And then they can smoke 3 packs of cigarettes a day and they think it's okay. As long as they quit the heroin. Which, in reality, which habit is worse, you know?